In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this issue in Windows 11 that your settings application is either not opening or keeps crashing in Windows 11 or Windows 10, here is a quick fix on how we can resolve this. So what we need to do is just open up the start menu and write Windows PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator on our right. Click Yes. Let me just make it full screen so that you can see the commands clearly. Now we will use a couple of commands here that I will mention in the description. You just copy and paste that in the same way. So the first command, I've already copied that, paste it here, hit enter, and it will initialize the process and reset the app package. After that, we run the second command and make sure that command is completely pasted. Hit enter. Like in this case, you can notice that it was not completely copied. So now we completely copied and pasted it and it worked. Now once we have done that, you need to restart your computer once and just check if that works. Just try to open the settings application and it should work fine. But if it doesn't, just move to the next step, and that is just open up the command prompt right here, CMD. Right click on it, run as administrator, click yes. We make it full screen and just paste this command SFC/scannow. It will take some time to complete, so just wait for it to complete. And once that is done, we will move to the second command, that is DISM commands. Just use that one by one. I've pasted first one. Let's paste the second one. And once that is complete, we'll paste the third one, hit enter. And you will get all of these commands with the description of this video. After that, you just need to restart your computer and check once again if the settings app are perfectly working. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.